high, low, high. High, see I'm already turned, low, high. High, low, high.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
3 lines of attack, the high being the head, the mid being the body, the core, and of course the low being from the waist down. So there's the high line, there's the mid line, and there's the low line. We're gonna do a high, low, and a high. So this is a very simple, very basic drill, but some of the things you wanna remember is, the stick obviously loads up, we hit follow through high, that's a lob tick high. Now, once we come through high, see how my body turned over? If your core turns, your body turns, you're already positioned up for a low shot. So theoretically, what we're seeing is their shot comes in. They swing at us. We might zone back a little bit and boom, smash at the hand. Now, because they just did this, they just swung through, their low line is open. Most likely they're gonna come back with a high angle too. So we went through one. Oh, maybe we smashed the hand, maybe we missed, maybe we nicked it, but we go high. Now we're gonna just drop down low, and we're gonna hit and retract into a tick. Watch what it did. Bend the knees. High, drop down. Now watch, I don't do this. See how my body's not moving? You don't just squat your ass down, go like this, and then come back up. It goes high, drop down low, and there's a turn. To hit to a tick low, recoils back because it's to a tick, come back up to the high line, and now we're gonna uncoil and hit high, lob tick, angle number 2, and we're right back to the beginning. So we're gonna go high, drop, low, back, high, high, low, high.